Hello friends, my name is Rosia, and today we're going to learn how to create a Pong game in Scratch. So first you need to create this rectangle and you name it player. So now in our rectangle we'll add a when flag clicked for forever. Go to mouse pointer, but now we'll see that it will stay at our mouse pointer, and we'll be able, and if the ball bounces here, then we'll be able to just go to the ball. So now we're going to add equal to X, mouse X. And then you change the Y to whatever Y you want. And now we'll see that it does like this and it's not unfair anymore. So now we're going to add the ball. So the ball, it was going to be a small circle. And make sure you snap it into the middle too. So now in the code, we're going to add a when flag clicked forever, and then we'll go to sensing, then we'll go to motion, and then we're going to add an if on edge bounce in the forever. And now we're going to add a move 10 steps. And now we're going to add a point in direction 90 in the beginning. So now you have to change the direction to where you want your ball to be facing. Or you can add a pick random in it, which is going to say -1 for 9 to 167. Now we'll play it and then we'll see that it is always going to face a random. It's going to face a random place in the background. But as you can see, it just goes through this player. And we're also going to rename this ball. So we're going to add if touching player, and then we can copy this pointy direction thing. But now you'll see that there's a problem. It will start shaking. It will start shaking inside of it, which we don't want. If it is at the edge, it will start shaking inside of it. So we are going to add a change y by 10. So now we'll see that. Now we're going to see that it had the problem. It has stopped. And now we will have to add a background. So for the background, you can just add a blue rectangle. And then after that, add another one that is going to be green. So that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye.